Hey guys, Rich Bassini, your YouTube vlogger and creator here. Today, I want to talk to you about screen sharing with my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yes. Matter of fact, I have it active right now. You can see it moving back and forth. Look at that, see? And I'm going to share the website with you guys in case you want to, try it out for yourself. I don't know, some people like to screen share their phones. Sometimes you might want to share an app or something like that. And if you're a new YouTuber out there, maybe you might want to look into it. It's for free. And this little toolbar that you see over here, that is, from what I understand, is free as well. It's pretty cool. And I guess if you wanted to, point things out or maybe not so much at highlight, but just point things out, this little tool works pretty good. If you click it on over here, you can see you get different colors. And it's a little pen, and if you could draw on it. Let me just get it to activate here. And if you wanted to point something out like that there, you could do that. Now, as far as the thickness wise, I don't know if it can get any thicker, but if you want to hit this bar down here, it has it over here, HD. But this one here, the FHD, I think to try it, if I'm not mistaken, I think they charge you for that there, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah. Now this one here that you see here, this is a record button. Just to let you know, you can record the screen, okay? But if you want to go, that's why they put that little thing there. If you want to go with this one here, like a different color, you could do that as well. You could check it out. And if you don't like it, whatever, let's say for some reason you made an error, just go over here to the trash can and you can click it right out. Or you can use this as well, the undo button, okay? It's a cool little tool, and you get that with the program. Well, you have to download it. That's what I did. I don't know if I'll use it just yet, but maybe you guys might find a use for it, All right, so let's get rid of that there for now. And, let's see if we can get out of here altogether. Let's exit. There we go. And as you can see here, we got the screen here. And right over here, my mouse cursor is moving. That's what it's called Let's View. Now, there's the same company, but 3 sites that probably have different information for you guys, and I'm going to drop the links below for you guys to share it with you, okay? All right, so you're probably wondering, okay, how is this done? Let's get right to it, okay? First off, with this program, you have to upload it, or I should say download it on your desktop and the phone itself, the iPhone itself. Well, if you're using an Android, it'd be different, but I'm talking my iPhone right now. It's got to be done. The app has to be on both the desktop and the iPhone itself to work, in order to work. Now, the other thing is, when it comes to making this item work, you need to have the Wi-Fi network ID, whatever. Well, that's what I call it. It's got to be the same. What's on the desktop, or what's in your that's running on your system right now, like on my system. I'll show you that there in a second. I'll do a little split screen with that there in a little bit. It's got to coincide with the phone. So in other words, let's say your network ID is 1234 ABC on the desktop. It's got to be 1234 ABC on the iPhone itself. Okay, so you would do as you go into. Matter of fact, we could do it right now. Let's go over here. Let's make this bigger again. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over here. And we're going to go to settings, and right over here, this is right now what I'm on right now. I mean, I have to pixelate it because it's got my ID on my Wi-Fi ID. So that's what I have right now. So what's over here is what's got to be on the desktop as well. Now, if I move myself out of here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let me move myself over here. There we go. And then I'm going to click right over here, this little square that looks a little TV box. I'm going to click this on, and I'm going to click over here, and it says Manage Wi-Fi Connections. Now, this Wi-Fi connection, what you see here, is the same that's on the phone. In order for it to work. Now, if you've got a different Wi-Fi connection on there, a different one, it's not going to work. Okay, so make sure they both work together. At least that's the way it's been working for me. Okay, I could be wrong, but that's the way it's been working for me. All right. Okay, so just wanted to share it with you guys. All right, so when you do that there, when you download the software, and I'm going to take you to the website for that in a little bit. When you download the website, the the software application, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's got a lot of information on it too as well. Okay, guys, so don't hesitate to worry about it. It works fine too. I had no problems with it. I've been using it for many years now, and to be truthfully honest with you, I love it. You know, I have no problem with it whatsoever. All right, so anyway, let me just minimize this here, close it out, and we're gonna go to the application. Well, actually, the website where you can get this software. All right, I'm going to move myself back over here again. Yeah, so just remember that there, when it comes to making this operational, you gotta download the app on the desktop and the phone itself. Okay, whether it be Android or or iOS phone, iPhone, whatever you use it is, Samsung. All right. Now, when you come here, we're going to go to this screen first, and we're going to get back to that one. This is the program. I don't know if I mentioned it. If I didn't, I apologize. It's Let's View. Okay, and you can see it says Let's View free. All right, screen mirroring app. All right, it says easy to display phone screen on a big screen like a tablet, PC, or TV via Wi-Fi, cross-platform and multi-device supported. Okay, and it goes on to different things here. Like you could download on different things. I'm going to get to that in a little bit. We're going to go through these windows here. I'm not going to keep it too long. Like I said, you guys can read it at your own leisure. All right. Let's close this thing out. We don't need this here right now. We could exit out of it. That's right there. Boom. We don't need that there to show. And right now we're still on the thing here. So let's just close this down. I don't know if it's going to shut me off. Oh, I don't want to shut it off altogether. So we'll leave it like that for the time being. I think I'm still connected. Am I? Well, it doesn't matter. I can always connect again, folks. Sorry about that. But we'll get back to that in a little bit. Because right now what I want to do is I want to show you the website anyway. Okay, now when you come over here, it says how to mirror your screen to other devices. You click these little little information thing here: install, connect, mirror, or cast, and it'll give you a little information on it. Okay, you hit connect over here. It'll give you basically the same information I'm giving you, maybe a little more detail, whatever. You got the mirror or cast, and then it's got tutorials. Like if you click this on here, how to use a remote cast. Let's View. Now I don't deal with the remote. Okay, that's me personally. I don't really do that there. I don't really need it. But you guys out there may want to check into it. Okay, so you could check it out here. How to use Let's View on Mac and so on and so forth. How to check if the phone or PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Okay, like I said, you got to make sure they're both in sync with each other, else it's not going to work. Again, that's how it's been working for me. Okay, so they give you some information here. They also have the product. They also have FAQs, frequently asked questions and so on and so forth. And if we go back up over here, we go back to the screen here, you're going to see a video. Now, I'm not going to play the video. I'd love to play the video, but I don't want to get copyright strikes because, I don't need the community guideline strikes, I should say. But you can check it out at your own leisure, okay? So I will drop the screen to this one, to this website here. Here's another one. This is the official website for Let's View, okay? And again, you can see Let's View your screen mirror. Basically, it's giving you the same information, but it might be a little different. You can see the format over here is a little different here, the way they're showing you the cover here, the home page, whatever. You can see it for yourself, all right? It's also, you could read the reviews, and if you're not particularly happy with it, you could always, remove from your system. But look what you could do with it, okay? Look what it says here. What can you do with Let's View? Here, online education, entertainment, meeting, business presentations, game live streaming, remote support. Okay, with this app. Okay, so that's why I said, you can't be. It's a no-brainer. You definitely might want to check it out. And this one over here now, this is the one for downloaded. Okay, if you want to download, and over here, if you click features, it'll show you screen mirroring, remote control. Again, I don't deal with that. And then you got the download feature, right? And here's the pricing. If you want to just give it a quick overview, you click it on here, and you'll see what it's all about. Now, I know you're probably saying, I think it says for free. Well, these are for the pro. Like if you want to add, or I should say, if you want to use a little different features in there, you're going to end up paying for it in some cases. I've been using it like this just for the screen mirroring, and I love it. Over here, you can see they got the Pro, $29.99 for the year. Build annually or cancel anytime. Same thing, business, and then they got the Pro one over here, I guess for 3 years. Buy two, get one free, whatever. I don't have that. Basically, I'm using the freebie one. And over here, they have AI tools, AI chat, AI photo editor, AI docs chat, and so on and so forth. Again, you can check it out at your own leisure. All right. Now, when it comes to downloading, let's go to the download feature. Here it says, let's view download. All right, when you download the app on both devices, okay, that's what they're telling you, just like I said before. If you hover over it, it's going to download automatically. But look, this is the ones you can download for. Now I'm using Windows 11, just to let you guys know. You're going to have Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and TV. Okay, and then you also have a button here, how to install. And you know, you're clicking on, this is basically just a little information on there. And it's also in different languages too, folks. They have different languages that you could, you know, check into as well. All right, so now we got that out of the way. All right, let's go back to, you know, how easy it is to set up. I mean, and to me, it is easy, okay? So let me back out of here, and let's go over here again. Now, I did bump out of the screen mirror. Now, when you come, I want to just share this with you guys. When you first click it on, this is how it's going to look, okay? You're going to get this window that's going to come up, and you're going to have share my screen, you know, and then when you click over here, the little arrow here, it's going to say share my screen, receive a screen, extend my screen. You're going to get those 3 features over there with that there as well, okay? Then it says over here, device not found, please ensure your device is on the same network. So even remind you over here. So if that's what happens, if you're trying to use this program, you say, geez, it's not working, you know. I mean, that's why, because you got to make sure they're both the same on the same network, okay? That, just keep that in mind. And here's the drawing what I was talking about. If you, I don't want to click it on now, but if you click it on, it, you know, you could download it, and you know, you'll have it with your, when you go log on there if you want to use it. If you don't, that's fine, okay? All right, so we're basically still logged in, even though it says we're not, no device connected. You got to go to the iPhone for that. So I'm just going to click this down. All right, and I'll leave this window up for now, and I'm going to go to the my iPhone here, already connected to that. I got the Wi-Fi, everything's all synced up. So let me go back over here, and what I'm going to do is go to Let's View. All right, and I'm going to show you how that's done a bit here, but first let me just get started here with this. Share my screen, and we're going to go back over here. If I can get on there we go, and bear with you for 1 second, guys. Okay, there we are. Okay, now what you didn't see is how I connected to it. All right, and I'm gonna go over that right now with you guys. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pause the video, and I have to do this thing here with my other phone. I have a iPhone 8 over here. I know I'm probably saying there's got to be a better way to do this. I know. I have a webcams over here, but the webcam it makes it too bright and you can't see stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to connect to it. Okay, and it's a little process, very simple. Nothing that's gonna, you know, take too much of your time to learn how to do it. So let me pause the video, and then I'm gonna come back and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, here we are with my iPhone 12 here, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to Let's View, and you're gonna see 2 prompts here. One's for Windows and the other one's for Apple. We're gonna use, I guess, the one for, you know, Windows. We use that one there, and we're gonna come over here. It says share screen. Now it's already connected because I already have it on the desktop is already active. So it's just a matter of activating the phone here to make this work. So I'm gonna pan up, I'm gonna swipe up here, okay, and then I'm gonna swipe back down. And right over here, these 2 little boxes, see these little boxes over here? I should use a pen for that there. Right over here, I'm gonna hit them, I'm gonna tap them on. And let's try what I have it over here. It's gonna, you see the little thing moving around over here. Okay. Now, let me go back over here to Let's View. I wanna make sure Let's View is on there too. We wanna make sure if it does that there, folks, go back to Let's View and make sure that screen is open, because if you accidentally close it, which I think I did, and that could happen on occasion when I'm doing these type of things here. Now it's open. Okay, see, when you open the window up, that's what I think happened. I think it timed itself out, or I might have accidentally closed the screen. What you're going to do is you're going to click this on here. It's been checked off. Now that it's checked off, if we look over here at the window here, you can see now we're all set to go here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go down here like this, or actually go like this here. If I can get it, there we go. And swipe up again, and here I am. Okay. Now what you want to do, why hopefully I still got your attention. I think I skipped a step. I'm sorry, guys. What you want to do is go to the App Store and type in on a search. Type in over here, search here. All right. Let's View. I've already typed it in over here, as you can see. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that there, guys. Maybe I didn't type it in all the way. There it is. Okay, I'm going to have to move this up a little, just a scotch. These things happen, especially when I'm doing live videos. Not often, though. Okay, so what you want to do is, this is the one you want to look for right here. Okay, this one right here. Okay, I know you see Let's View over here, but this is the one. That's the logo you're looking for. All right, and then when you click it on, of course, if you click it on, it's going to open it, which we already have it open, so there's no need to do that. But that's what you're going to do. Just to recap, you're going to go back to the screen here. You're going to go to the App Store if you work with the iPhone, whatever, iOS, whatever. You're going to click that on, and you're going to type in there, Let's View. Okay, that says OK on there. We don't need that. And just to recap it, and you're just going to click Search, and then that's the one that's going to come up. And this is the one you're looking for right here with that logo. Okay, once you get that, you're good to go. And then if you look on the screen, which I have right now, that's it. You can see it. Everything is there. Everything's all function. You know, everything, all the functionality is there. Okay, and let's go back over here if I can get out of here. And that's it. So we got everything going just the way we want it. All right, folks, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. I hope this video helped. I hope you got a takeaway from it. I hope in some way it was helpful to you as well. So if it did help out in any way, you know, you like this video, hopefully you like me as a content creator. I always try my best. I'm not the greatest at doing my videos all the time. I'm trying to get a little better, but you know, I will share this information with you guys. And if this is, like I said, my other videos, if this is the first time hitting my YouTube channel, I just want to say welcome, and I also want to say thank you to all the new subscribers who recently subscribed to my channel. When I come across all these little tips and tricks and things, I'm going to share it with you guys. As I said in my other videos, I don't have a book to sell you, I don't have a dream to sell you. The only thing I can share with you is free information based off on the time I've been on this YouTube channel, which was back in 2013. So as I go along, I'm going to try to make my videos a lot better, a little more entertaining and stuff like that. So I hope you'll get a takeaway from it, you'll like them. And if you do, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you want to be updated to when I post out new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Bassini signing off. Wishing you guys all the best. I'll talk to you soon. Take care and bye-bye for now.